Simply crumpling up a small piece of aluminum foil can drive cockroaches out of your house. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Every time cockroach breeding season arrives, my kitchen starts to be overrun with these uninvited guests. They appear unexpectedly, are very annoying, and cause many people to worry about hygiene. But after trying many different methods, I found a simple trick using just a small piece of aluminum foil. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create this secret weapon to repel cockroaches right at home. And don't leave too soon, because at the end of the video, I'll share another very effective method. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Now let's begin. First, you need to prepare aluminum foil, as you already know. Once you have it, set it aside and we'll use a bowl or container. In this case, I would use a metal bowl, but you can use any bowl you have at home. Next, we'll use regular bath soap, the kind that almost everyone has in their bathroom. But note that it should be scented soap, because this type of soap contains higher levels of aniline and glycerin, and this makes it a very effective pesticide. Now, I will use a grater, or a fine grooving tool, to grate the soap. We will grate about 1 tablespoon of soap. You just need to estimate about 1 tablespoon of grated soap. If you don't have a grater, you can use a spoon and scrape the soap to get a similar amount. Next, we'll use one of the things that attracts cockroaches most effectively, sugar. I'll use 2 tablespoons of sugar, or 2 small packets of sugar like the ones usually given at bakeries. Sugar is one of cockroaches' favorite foods, so they are very attracted to it. Now mix the sugar with the grated soap. Once mixed, you will still smell a fairly strong soapy odor. But since we're trying to create a trap, a bait to get cockroaches caught, we'll add a special ingredient. That ingredient is coal, the ordinary kind. If you're wondering where to find charcoal, it's simple. It's just wood that has been completely burned, like this piece. We will grind the charcoal into smaller pieces using a grater, just like when grating soap. While doing this, you will notice the soap smell begins to disappear. This also happens with cockroaches' sense of smell. After adding the charcoal, your mixture will have this texture. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Mix it well. Charcoal has the ability to encapsulate and neutralize odors, making the mixture almost odorless, but the effectiveness of the components inside remains intact. In fact, glycerin and the chemicals in soap can kill cockroaches very quickly. Because sugar attracts cockroaches, they will eat the mixture without realizing that the soap is killing them. To make the trap even stronger, we'll add baking soda. I will add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the mixture. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. Baking soda creates gas inside the cockroach's body, which they are unable to expel, leading to their complete death. But there's one thing. Because charcoal reduces the smell, cockroaches will be less attracted to it. Therefore, we need to increase the attractiveness of the scent with an ingredient that cockroaches love. That ingredient is lemon. But we don't use lemon juice. What attracts cockroaches is lemon peel. The scent of lemon peel is extremely appealing to them. So we'll grate some lemon zest, about half a teaspoon. Remember to use this exact amount for precise application. After grating, the mixture will have this texture. Now mix gently. The scent of lemon peel won't be masked by charcoal, so this will be the dominant scent that strongly attracts cockroaches. This stimulates the cockroach's senses, especially its antennae and legs, which are the parts that help it sense its environment. Thanks to this, the trap can achieve an effectiveness rate of up to 95%. Now it's time to use our main character, banknotes. Cut about 20 centimeters of aluminum foil, then divide it in half to create 2 traps. We must use the matte side of the foil, not the shiny side. Place the mixture on a frosted surface, dividing it into 2 parts. Then wrap it up carefully. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After wrapping, use a fork to poke holes in each package. Do the same with the other package. These holes will help the scent of the lemon peel spread around, attracting cockroaches. Why do we need to poke holes with a fork? Because cockroaches sense everything with their antennae. When such holes are present, they insert their antennae and legs inside, immediately coming into contact with the mixture containing baking soda, soap, and other ingredients, leading to their destruction. The final thing you need to do is place these trap packets in the corners of your house, where you frequently see cockroaches passing through. When cockroaches crawl through this area, the sweet smell of sugar combined with the essential oils from lemon peel and soap will attract them closer. They will eat the baking soda, which frightens them and causes them to quickly leave the area. You will see them gradually disappear. To increase the effectiveness of the trap, combine it with a repellent spray for better results. Repelling cockroaches with lemon juice. Lemon juice not only disinfects and deodorizes effectively, but it also repels cockroaches very effectively thanks to its strong scent and natural acidity. This method is safe, inexpensive, and suitable for any corner of the house. Prepare 3 lemons. You can use lemons that have been sitting around for a while. Then cut the lemon in half. Squeeze the juice of 2 to 3 lemons into a glass. Mix with 300 to 500 milliliters of warm water for better diffusion of the scent. Stir well and pour into a spray bottle. If you want it stronger, you can add 1 teaspoon of salt. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Direct spray. Spray the solution in areas where cockroaches frequent. Kitchen cabinet corners, refrigerator base, under the sink, cabinet crevices, wall surfaces, kitchen nooks and crannies. The lemon scent will make cockroaches uncomfortable and they will stay away. Use a cloth soaked in lemon juice to wipe down the stovetop, sink, and kitchen counters. This will both remove grease and prevent cockroaches from returning. Pour a small amount of the solution into a small bowl and place it in a dark, damp area. This helps keep the area smelling fresh and deters cockroaches. Spray 2 to 3 times per week. Clean with a lemon solution once a week to keep the scent lasting longer. After it rains or when there are food spills in the kitchen, spray again. I find this method of using lemon juice diluted with water very easy and safe. The lemon scent is refreshing, repels cockroaches effectively, and helps keep the kitchen cleaner. It's inexpensive and quite effective, especially suitable for homes with young children or those who don't like using harsh chemicals. And that's all for today's video. With just a few simple ingredients, you have 2 practical ways to deal with cockroaches in a more natural and safer way right at home. These methods are easy to implement and will help keep your living space cleaner and free from cockroaches. Hopefully, today's video has provided you with useful information. Remember to like the video and share it with anyone who might need this tip. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more useful household tips. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video!